Marriage is a supreme sharing of experience, an adventure in the most intimate of human relationships. It is the joyous union of two people whose comradeship and mutual understanding have flowered into romance. Today, John and Charlotte proclaim their love and commitment to the world, and we gather here to rejoice with them and for them in the new life that they now undertake together.
From a proud dad, we love you, and we love you both. But we wish you all the best and welcome to the family, Charlotte.
To my wife-to-be, I love you so much. Thank you for sticking by me through thick and thin. I cannot wait until you are my wife and we can go on all of our wild adventures in my XB coupe. Love, love, happy wedding day with a big heart.
And I will say Charlotte's support of John, whilst he's been in PNG, has been nothing short of outstanding. We wish you so much love and happiness in this new chapter of your lives, and we look forward to creating lots of new wonderful memories together. I love you both so much.
Charlotte, I felt overwhelmed writing these vows. I found it hard to breathe and my heart was beating a million times a minute. All I wanted was everything to be perfect because that's what you are to me. Perfect. You are the most amazing woman I've ever met. Words cannot explain how lucky I am to have met you. You are beautiful in every way. You're intelligent, funny, caring and driven. I am so happy to be standing here with you today. You've always supported me and been there for me when I have needed you. Without you, I am lost. You are not only my partner or soon-to-be wife, you are also my best friend. You have stepped out of my dreams and into my life and shown me what real love is. I'm so happy to be making the best decision and easiest decision of my life, and that is marrying you, the only woman that I would call home.
John, I love doing life with you and could not imagine it in any other way. You've never left me in doubt with the way you feel about me. I can't remember a day that has gone by without you telling me you love me. You are kind, caring and thoughtful, and the love you have for the people in your life is crazy. You never fail to go out of your way to help others. You somehow manage to laugh and joke your way through most things, yet you are serious when you need to be. I love how you see the positive in every situation. You inspire me and make me want to and believe I can achieve more. I'm so happy I forgot to pack those tent poles on that camping trip. I love you, you are my everything, my happiness, my world, and I am so lucky to be marrying you today.
As John and Charlotte have agreed to wear these rings as a symbol of their love, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce them husband and wife. John, you may now kiss your beautiful wife. Give it up, everyone. Family and friends, I present to you for the first time, keep the applause going for Mr. and Mrs. John and Charlotte Gard.
first met John, I thought it was weird. I thought it was odd. I was like, are you really seeing him? What is going on? This is before I'd actually seen you together. As soon as I saw you together, I was like, okay, yeah, that works. You guys are like completely different, but so the same at the same time. Charlotte, you like calm down his crazy and he like chills out your analness.
Growing up as a twin, I've been very privileged to have the best friend for life, and I couldn't imagine John choosing a better partner to spend the rest of his life with.
So my observations from afar is that I think you complement each other with qualities of loyalty, good humour in adversity, and a strong sense of self. I leave you with this advice. Take care of each other, take time out to heal if you need it, and always celebrate your successes.